Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve a very interesting problem, that is 7 power n plus 2 minus 3 times 7 power n plus 1 by 20 times 7 power n minus 2 times 7 power n. So let's simplify this. So I am going to use the exponent rule. X power m plus n, we can write it as x power m times x power n. So our first part 7 power n plus 2, we can write it as 7 power n times 7 power 2 minus 3 times, again I'm going to use the same identity, 7 power n times 7 by 20 times 7 power n minus 2 times 7 power n. So it becomes 7 power n times 7 square, we can write it as 49 minus here 3 times 7 is 21 times 7 power n by 20 times 7 power n minus 2 times 7 power n. Now, from numerator and denominator, I can take 7 power n as common. So, what is left? 49 minus 21 in numerator, and in denominator, if I'll take 7 power n as common, 20 minus 2. So, we will cancel out this. So, what is left? 49 minus 21, that is 28, and 20 minus 2 as 18. Now both are even number, we can divide it by 2, so we get 14 by 9 as our answer. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.